Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike. We're back in the Scout. Not in the Scout, working on the Scout, right? Couple of weeks of some JK content. I'm sorry for you vintage lovers out there. I apologize for that content. I was in Arizona. Obviously, you can see that from the past few videos. The Scout's not going to make it to Arizona. The MB does 45 miles an hour. It would take me, 2 days to get to Arizona at 45 miles an hour. Although that would be a lot of fun. Future video idea right there. Road trip to Arizona. But it'd have to be very early spring or very late fall. Anyways, we're back on the Scout. And we're going to be absolutely utilizing, there we go, my Benchmark abrasives. They have, I have got a bunch of abrasives from them, and so I'm rocking their shirt today. I got their banner up on the wall. You'll see it around. But we're going to be utilizing a bunch of Benchmark abrasives cutoff discs today for my grinder, because we're going to be cutting things up. I'm going to take the window out. We're going to get the top off today, but I am going to cut the top up a little bit. Sorry for anybody that is going to freak out that I'm cutting up a Scout top, but also let it be known that this top is smashed and ruined. It's got some good pieces on it, and I'm going to cut those out. But we're going to do the body. I'm going to cut the body up a little bit, take the window out, just kind of get the body ready to be done and be out of here. Let's jump to it. We're just going to kind of see where the day takes us, see how far we can get. But I'm going to start by, I think I'm going to start by taking all the glass out. And then I need to find a place. I think I have a place to put it where it's not going to get ruined. So we're going to start with that. Let's go. We're going to start with the fresh blade. And I mean, I hope nobody freaks out that I'm cutting this up, but look, it's got cracks that, like, I need a new windshield gasket. So please don't freak out about this. Look, it's terrible. All right, Mike from the future here. I was editing this video and realized that my GoPro just like shut off and didn't film a lot of this stuff. Usually I kind of set it up like right here, and then you guys can see stuff, right? But it overheated. There's not a lot of ventilation in my garage. Well, there's like a little breeze, but not enough to keep my GoPro cool. My GoPro overheats. It's a GoPro Hero 13 black, I think, whatever. It overheats all the time. When I'm filming in the garage, all the time. It overheats and shuts off. Very frustrating. Anyways, enough of the GoPro rant. I will not buy another GoPro ever. But my rant's done. So I got the windshield out. You can see the gasket is trash. Actually, here's most of the gasket and some of the side window gaskets. So we got the window out, saved the glass. I didn't break the glass. It's really good. It's a good window. The other Scout has a good window too, but you never know. Plus a flat piece of glass, a flat piece of glass from like a windshield place, like $150. Not cheap, but not expensive either. So this is where we're at. Let's get back to the video. The next part of the video, we're going to be cutting the side windows out, cutting the top, and removing the top. So let's get to that part of the video. All right, now let's get this off. Hopefully this goes just as easy. All right, well, I got the windows out. The camera overheated, so I didn't get the driver's side window. Came out the same way. Super easy. Actually, just cut the rubber out, right? So Now I'm gonna cut the sides off the top, and I need to figure out how to hold it so that it doesn't fall. I got an idea. I gotta cut the sides, but I'm gonna put stack something up in here so it doesn't like fall down when I cut the sides off, but that's the next step. All right, the blue tape is just to give me an idea of where to cut. Safety first, right? And then my benchmark abrasive 4.5 inch cutoff disc. So let's see what kind of damage we can do. Okay. Here we go for the other side. I think I'll start in the back and work my way forward. All right, taking a break from the video again. You guys missed the entire part where I took the top off. So I cut the sides. Don't get mad that I cut the sides. The driver's side was bent way out. The window was actually popping out of the frame across the whole top. And that back corner of the top was crinkled in. And there's not any way I was gonna fix it. So I cut the sides off and I slid the roof off, which made it significantly lighter. And I carried it off, and I'm gonna use the top of the roof for a project in like 6 months. Oh man, all right. So obviously we got the top off. I need to take the sun visors out and the rear view mirror because I want to keep those. But we'll start working on, I got to take the roll bar out. Obviously, I got to clean all the junk out. But I think right now I'm just going to zip these off because these are not held on by anything other than this right here. So since nobody wants anything, I'm gonna zip these off and then we'll just keep moving down the body. I gotta cut that rear quarter off. We'll do that in a minute. But let's keep going. All right, hey, thanks for watching. We got a lot done on the Scout. We got all the glass out, we got the top off, cut up into pieces. I'm gonna use that top piece for a little project, probably. Got the inner fenders cut off because they were just kind of floating there anyways. They were gonna be a problem when I lifted the body off anyways. So I cut those off. We're going to take the roll bar out, cut that rear corner off another day. But not in the next week, because when this video comes out, 1 week from today is the Utah Vintage 4x4 Rally, and I'm taking the MB. The MB's parked right there. So I'm taking the MB out there. It is the 26th, 27th, and 28th. Like I said, when this video comes out, it's next weekend. So if you have a vintage rig or not, whatever, it doesn't matter. Come out. We're gonna have some food, we're gonna have some prizes, we're gonna go on a couple of trail runs, couple of night runs. Should be a good time. So, yeah, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything that I'm doing to the Scout. And we'll see you guys next time.